Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study history in one day. To begin, identify the most crucial historical periods and significant events you need to cover. This focused approach ensures you make the most of your limited study time. Concentrate on understanding the why behind events, not just the what. Visual tools, such as timelines and geographical maps, can significantly enhance your learning and recall, helping you connect information quickly and efficiently. Next, identify the core information. Start by creating a simple chronological timeline, marking down major events and influential figures. This helps you visualize the flow of history. Grouping related events, such as revolutions or wars, allows you to grasp broader historical patterns and connections. Make sure to note down essential dates, names, and their specific significance to build a strong foundational understanding. Now let's move to active learning methods. After reviewing a section, summarize it in your own words, either verbally or in writing. This active recall strengthens memory. Create flashcards for key terms, dates, and important figures. Review these frequently throughout the day. Explaining concepts aloud, even to yourself, can solidify your understanding and highlight any areas where you need further review. Finally, review and reinforce your learning. Instead of one long review, opt for several short, frequent sessions, perhaps every 2 or 3 hours. Test your knowledge using practice questions or by quizzing yourself on key facts. Actively connect new historical information to what you already know. This creates a stronger memory network. Aim for at least 3 review cycles to maximize retention in one day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.